In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a booking form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the middle section right here for forms, and beneath forms, I want you to focus on Form Builder. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Form Builder widgets page. From here, click on Create Widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the Form Template section. So on the left-hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. In that particular case, we want to focus on the booking forms section. At the time of recording this video, there's over 21 different templates that you can choose from. And then on the right hand side here, you also get a live and fully interactive preview of what the selected template would feel like on your Wix website. Now bear in mind, none of these templates are final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything to do with them. So for example, we can remove this full name section right here, and we can replace it with something else entirely. We can also add the cover image to the form itself. We can change the color of the button. We can do everything. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. This right here is for desktop. If you click on the mobile icon here in the top right corner, you also get a mobile preview as well. Again, fully customizable. Now, on the left hand side, as you can see, there's over 21 different templates they can choose from. I want you to go through each one and have a look at them, and then just basically decide which one best suits your needs. Like I said, they're fully customizable, but yeah, just go ahead, choose the one you like the most. In my case, I'm going to go for this one because it's quite colorful, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your booking form to your liking. So the first thing you want to do here is obviously build out the form. So as you can see on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different fields which resemble the fields right here that you see on the form. So for example, here is the full name field, which is this field right here. Then you have the email address, phone number, and so forth. To get rid of any of these fields, all you have to do is simply click on these three dots here and then click on delete, and then it will be deleted just like that. Very quick and easy. You can also rearrange these if you wanted to, like that. Very, very easy. If you want to add new fields, go ahead and click on this button that says add field here, and then choose one of these that are relevant to you. Then at the bottom here, you also see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of. So for example, here's the header section, which is party reservation form, this text here that you see on the top, and then obviously the caption. We can disable this if you don't want it to be there. We can also add the cover image, we can add the logo, and so forth. Now, if you want to speed things up, you can also take advantage of Elfsight's AI form generator. As you can see, it's right here on the top. What you have to do is click on generate form here, and then specify the exact type of form that you're looking for, and then click on generate. Beneath here, you also see a bunch of instructions, so make sure you read through this before you write anything right here. Then simply click generate, and then the AI will automatically generate your ideal booking form. But in my case, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick with the template. Then once you're done with building out your form, on the left hand side, you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your booking form. So for example, if you go to the layout section, the embed time currently is inline, which basically allows us to position the form anywhere we want on our website. Alternatively, you can also go for a floating pane, which basically makes the form float like this, and then when you click the button, it opens up. There's lots of customizations here that you can take advantage of as well to customize each of these options. Then the same goes for appearance. As you can see, there's lots of customizations that you can take advantage of. I'm not going to go for every single one. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your booking form, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then your widget will be saved up. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this green publish button. Simply click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like. And what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do keep in mind that the Elfsight branding will be visible if you choose this plan right here. Alternatively, if you want to have a 100% ad-free booking widget, or if you want to, let's say, take advantage of more than one of their widgets on your Wix website, or if you plan to get more than 200 views over the course of each month, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have lots of different options that you can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your booking form widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing I want you to do once you go to your Wix website is go into the actual editor and go on the page that you want to add your booking form to. In my case, I want it on this page right here and right at the top. So I'm going to left click to highlight the section, and then I will go in the top right corner of the screen where it says search right here. Click on that, and then I want you to search for HTML. Wait for this to load, and then you will see this option that says add to site, and then beneath it, embed. Hover over that or click on it, and then on the left hand side you'll see a brand new window open up. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click on embed HTML. Click on that to add it to your website, and then an HTML box will be added to your page here. So what I want to do here is in this window, make sure this is set to code, and then go ahead and paste the code we just copied from Elf site. Click on update, and then all we have to do now is go ahead and resize accordingly. Here is us, and then I'm going to click save and then preview just to see what our form would look like on the website. As you can see, here it is super nice and clean, and as you can see, it's fully interactive. I can click around and yeah, submit the reservation here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a booking form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.